In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Wix Studio. It's a fundamental skill to master if you're looking to customize and enhance the overall aesthetics of your website. So let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First things first, head over to Wix Studio. It's an intuitive web platform designed specifically for agencies and enterprises. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you'll have various sign-in options. For this demonstration, we'll choose to continue with Google, as it's a quick and secure option. This will link your Google account with Wix Studio, allowing seamless access. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the area where you can edit the footer of your website. Look for the section of the editor that displays your site structure and select the footer. You'll notice it's quite straightforward to locate because it typically appears at the bottom of your site's layout. Next, to alter the text within the footer, click on Edit Text. This option gives you the flexibility to change the content to better fit your brand's message or provide important contact information. Remember to keep this information concise and relevant, as footers are usually used for essential details. Once you have your text edited to your liking, you might want to pay attention to how your footer behaves responsively. Click on Responsive Behavior, and there you'll have options to ensure your footer scales well on different devices. This is crucial for maintaining a user-friendly design across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. To add to the flexibility, you have the option of using the Scale Proportionally feature. This allows elements in your footer to maintain their proportions as they resize, preserving their intended layout and design aesthetic. It's an easy but effective way to enhance the look of your site across various screen sizes. Next, click on Custom Scale if you want more control over resizing. It allows you to set custom parameters for how your footer adjusts, giving you the freedom to tailor it to more specific needs, perhaps for special sections or promotional content. Additionally, consider the wrap option. This feature is particularly useful for managing how text and other elements in your footer adjust when the screen size changes. This keeps your footer neat without compromising on readability or layout. To refine your footer further, you can modify the font by selecting the Edit Font option. A well-chosen font can enhance readability and support your brand's identity. Don't forget you also have the option to change the color. Click on Edit Color to adjust the color scheme, ensuring it aligns with the overall theme of your website. Finally, consider editing the position type. By clicking on this option, you can determine how your footer is anchored on the page, which can be particularly useful for dynamic layouts or one-page designs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on customizing your website's footer using Wix Studio. Following these steps will help tailor your site's footer to better fit your needs and style preferences. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.